Hello my friends, alright, let's get to it. Let me click on select. When you click on any object, you have see these tools and its name, and you can here lock object and make it unselectable. Well, as you locked it, you cannot move it anymore, you cannot delete it. Yes, see, you cannot delete it anymore. And it is useful when you import your file, your model into this. For example, from Revit or 3D Max, you bring some files to this software and you don't want it to be moved, especially uncautiously. And most of the time it is so useful for you. Okay, that's it. And about the next option is select two or more objects to group. For example, in a project, you have many items, and if you want to move an object, an item, for example, it could be anything, you should select it and drag it. Just let me show it to you. Yes, just like that. But if you want to move many items at the same time, you should hold Control button and drag like this. As you can see, we have many items now to move together at the same time. As you can see, we have a selection box, and above there we have a selected objects, a number we have for it, just like that. All right, from this angle, 5 selected objects. Alright, now this option is activated, as we can see, since we have more than one object. And now if I click on it, it's a group now. Let me show it to you, just like that. Click on it, and as you can see, it's a group. So we can move them together, just like that. It is like just other software's group. Yes, there is no difference. And as it is a group here, we have 3 tools for it. Edit group. For example, I'm gonna make this item here a little bit closer to these trees and here very well, and then click on OK. And as you can see, we have a transparency option here. You can change it, but I will talk about it later. Alright. The next tool, you can ungroup the group. Of course, we have this tool as well. If you click on it, the group will be gone, and you can move each tree now one by one individually, as before. You could do it. It's a cool thing, let me tell you, that if you move this tree, it's gonna go on top of another tree, but you should hold G, as I said before, to set it on train. And you know what? You can add this group to another layer, for example layer 2, and as you can see, we can turn it off and we cannot see it anymore if we want to, of course. And there's a point here, and it is, if you click on a layer, you cannot turn off that layer, but you are able to turn off the rest of them. And it is a very important thing that you should pay attention to. Alright, and of course you're able to save group as well. So choose a name for it. For example, I'm gonna say palm tree. Yes, that's good. Palm tree, let me write it here. Oops, let me rewrite it. Palm tree, that's right. And we have a category folder here, which is you can make your own folder. For example, I'm gonna make a new one here for myself, and I'm gonna choose a name for it. My content, yes. My tree contents, yes, it's better. So click on OK after that. Yes, very good. Let me save it. All right, that's a wrap. And so you're able to make a group for yourself. See you next time.